You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan. Once again, we're not able to do Masters in Trading Live like we do every day the market's open at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. I'm still filming this the day before because we share every trade in the portfolio underneath Masters in Trading Live. You can see every trade from when we started. So we're giving you entries, and we're also committed to giving you exits as well. And we have 3 exits to talk about. One is A-Lab. A-Labs are lockup trades. We love lockup trades. If you're not familiar with them, if you go to Masters of Trading's YouTube channel, just search for Jonathan Rose and put in lockups. It's a really great trade. A-Lab is a lockup trade. We talk about CCL, buying calls in the cruise ship operator, and then finally a divergence trade between Rio and BHP, 2 copper companies. Enjoy, and we're back live on Thursday, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. Hey guys. Okay, so I have you up Masters in Trading Live. Hopefully, as you know, underneath this is the promotional portfolio. So this is every single trade that we started sharing going back to February. What was the first trade? February 23rd or something like that. So you're more than welcome to go through all the trades, but my commitment, even to the promotional portfolio, which we are doing completely free, is we're going to cover these trades until we're out. So you guys can see all the trades so we can be as transparent as possible. So let's open up the spreadsheet. I want to go over some trades. I also wanted to share our Discord. This is our active Discord. Eddie 401 just posted. It looks like Patricia's writing right now. But I wanted to go over some open trades because they're coming off. And the first one we're going to go over is A-Lab. A-Lab is a lockup trade. We love lockup trades. If you're not familiar with the lockup trade, you can go on our YouTube channel, search Masters in Trading, search Jonathan Rose, search A-Lab lockup trade. Maybe you'll find it too. April 22nd, we shared this trade. Now, we didn't get in at the best levels, but it didn't really matter because A-Lab is a lockup trade. Lockup trades for the first 6 months restrict a ton of the available stock. So for 6 months, a majority of the stock's not even available to be traded. So any rally is a sale, should be what we say faded. So when A-Lab rallies, it should be faded. So what we did, 422, I shared the trade, horrible entry point. Now, many could lose money on this trade. It did go against. I knew this was the right trade. It was just a bad entry point. So what I had to do is start to finance this trade. And by financing the trade, a bad entry point here, 424, I just got out of because I thought we can get a better level. And that's exactly what we did, because May 10th, we took another level at 290. And for these, we just got filled. We have a limit order, a good till cancel limit order at 490. So we got filled in the portfolio. And I also want to show you others got filled. July 60 puts at 490. This is the promotional portfolio. Chris is an editor, one of my editors. Hey, Chris. Matthew, same for me. He hit that 490 price. He's got some more inventory. And Denny here made $1,360. And what's very, very cool, Denny, he paid for his advance notice 12-month subscription in the first 30 days. So, as we like to say, that's better than a sharp stick in the eye. Who says that? CCL is another trade that we shared. Now, we talk about tranching into positions. So we first shared this trade on April 8th. April 8th would be right here. buying a call right here. This is a high value target tool. This is being built into our advanced notice in order to help us with buys and sells. This is all being built into the technology. But once I saw these buy signals, along with some advanced notice activity on 4/8, we got in. And then on 5/17, added another tranche. We got in at better levels, bought, then I sold because I'm financing this. I'm trying to get the cost basis down. Now, April 8th, we can take out the 17 calls for $1.10. So I'd like to take them off for $1.10. Take them off for the best level that you possibly can. If I take these off for $1.10, that's 13 cents of profit here, and that's 35 cents of profit here. So you end up making about 50% on the entire trade. If you want to go back and watch any of those videos, please go back on April 8th or May 17th. Share them with your friends, share them with your family. It's a great, great trade. A fixed amount of money of risking. You risk for $40 for a 1 lot, $400 for a 10 lot, $75 or $750. It's a great trade. 1 second, guys. I got a question from Patricia. In advanced notice portfolio, still holding the last position for CGC. Buy to open a put option on CGC for $9 with $1.50 strike to close. CGC on profit this afternoon. Still in the learning curve. So Patricia, I can't give anybody advice, but because CGC went against us, now that it's totally retraced and come back our way, what I'm doing with the portfolio is I am covering. And I'll explain why I'm covering. Lovely timing. So the CGC trades were done here. Bad levels. Marijuana got government approval, whatever. Good news, but CGC just couldn't rally. But because we were down so much on this trade and many thought it was dead, I added another level, and now I just want to break even. If you got in at really good levels too, this is a heck of a move. CGC did go from 15 down to 780. So Patricia, for me, for the portfolio, I want to break even, which I know we can do. If you can make money on CGC, God bless. Hope that helps. I think it does. Good timing. CCL, we're good there. Denny, again, 67% profit. Boom. Still got 30 contracts. Attaboy. I think he means contracts, not contacts. Knoll here. Boom. 150% profit. I love this, guys, because I'm holding 10 contracts. My basis is 39 cents. It's a $390 investment for like 60 days. Worst case scenario, you lose $390. But first of all, it's fun. And if things start working out, you could potentially make 150% like Knoll or more. I shared this. This is a cool trade. This is a divergence trade that we have. And we have a divergence program. And this is maybe the only divergence trade that we shared in the promotional webinar in the portfolio. But just to go over how this works. On May 1st, which is right here, purple is going to be BHP and the green is going to be Rio. If you look at May 1st right here, BHP, if you were to buy 55.20, it's right now 57.20. Rio, at that same time, May 1st, was here. Rio, real strong. What I should have done is stuck with the trade. Tranche into it. I didn't, but it's coming back. This trade, I like it, but what I did incorrect is you gotta tranche into these trades. I missed an opportunity. Still plenty of time in this trade. I'm not suggesting or I'm not closing it in this promotional portfolio. I just wanted to share this as an example. That's what I got for you guys. I think you're getting this on Wednesday. We'll be back live Thursday, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. Hey, the creative trader wins. Trade smart. Jonathan Rose, we'll see you next time.
Join us every weekday at live.mastersintrading.com